England, be it Canada, you know, you need a bit of luck there as well. But you mentioned before, you made a great point with John Hartman, how important he's been for the game in this country. And yeah, I was a little bit during the men's game. I was always a very, very good coach, and we have great things about his motivational skills. But having, you know, seen it a little bit closer now and spoken to people who've been brought under him, they just come across and say, man, this guy's pretty special. You can't leave the room without a smile on your face. He's that inspiring, but he's also tough. And people see that smiling exterior and the great interviews and the great soundbite. But don't forget, this guy's tough, and he's not going to say, you know,
convincing guys to leave Europe to come over and play. It's not like those games when you get those off breaks are real short. It's a haul for them, but identity and I've talked to Paul Dolan, I've talked to Dave Norman, I've talked to some ex-guys who used to play for Canada, and there was a real pride in putting the Maple Leaf on, and I think we lost that a little bit, but John, whether he's wrapping himself in the Maple Leaf, I would assume that that's his strength, and that's why this group is so tight and together.
Yeah, I mean, it's like me, I understand that, you know, we're Brits, but we've been here for a long time now, and we feel we are Canadian now, you know, and he's been here for, I don't know how many years it is now, you know, it's over a decade.